Hi guys, I'm Stephanienadia. You're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. If you're not new here, today we're going to be doing a very insightful video. I'm going to be taking you guys through my journey on YouTube, every process I had to go through to get here, to get to monetization, to get to being a YouTube partner. Just share what I've learned and what I think might be helpful for fellow small YouTubers and YouTubers in general. We're going to be going through my analytics, when I received my email to start the process, how long it took me to start being a YouTube partner, what tax information I had to submit, everything. There's some criteria you have to reach for YouTube to consider you a YouTube partner and start putting paid ads on your videos. And these criteria used to be 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, but as of lately that has changed. Google owned company, that is YouTube, said that the new conditions to be qualified for the partner programs are having 500 subscribers, 3 public uploads in the last 90 days, and either 3,000 watch hours in the past year or 3 million shorts views in the last 90 days. Basically, in the past, you needed 1,000 subscribers before YouTube would start putting paid ads on your videos, before you'd be able to make money from people watching your ads. And now you need just 500 of that, and then you need either 3,000 watch hours, which used to be 4,000 watch hours, or you can have 3 million views in shorts. So 3 million views not in YouTube videos but in shorts in the last 90 days. So it can't be over the period of 1 year that you accumulated 3 million views. No, it has to be in the last 90 days. My timeline to getting to being a YouTube partner was a quite longer one. Other people have shorter ones, other people have longer ones. Your story is going to be different. My story was different. Everybody's story was different. I started YouTube. My first ever video on YouTube was in May of 2020. I'd already created the channel, but I hadn't started posting on it. So that was the first time I posted on YouTube. So I'm going to open my YouTube analytics so I give you accurate information. Over the years, I continued posting even though it wasn't looking very encouraging, because here's the thing, even at 4,000, even when 4,000 watch hours was the criteria, you couldn't have accumulated it over 10 years. It has to be within the last year or so, if I'm not remembering wrong. So after 365 days, the hours reduce if you didn't make it to 4,000 in that particular year. So it keeps letting go of last year's hours and then reaccumulating for this year. So it's not as easy as it sounds, the 4,000 watch hours. I kept posting, my watch hours kept reducing. Fast forward, I moved to the UK, and I guess content based in the UK resonated more with you guys, and then I started getting more views. But here's the thing, I decided to do a video on non-copyrighted music because I get tons of questions about how the music in my vlogs are so good and people liked it and where did I get it. And then I got the sharp idea to make a video on non-copyrighted music, and then I just did it. It was a video that was 24 minutes long. The first ever one I did was quite long, about an hour, but this one was 24 minutes long. So I'd been doing it once in a while to help my fellow YouTubers out there too. So I was doing it out of help for other YouTubers that might want songs in my videos, and I wanted like there to be a designated video they'll go to just get access to those songs. And I think about 2 or 3 months after posting the video kind of started doing well. It's currently at 30k and it's 24 minutes. So the longer the video, more it's easier to reach the hours when people watch it. People kept asking anytime I put a new video, a new music in my vlog. So I made a second video which was top non-copyrighted music, which was 36 minutes. So the previous one was 30,000 views, and this one is 41,000. This one blew up right after I posted it, unlike the first one. If you want access to these music, I have a playlist. It's going to be in my description. It's going to be at the end screen that you can click on to just screen record or just convert into mp3 to use in your videos. So this video blew up, and then I managed to reach my 4,000 hours. My normal vlogs help me get to the 4,000 hours, but mostly this video, you just need that one video to do well. And then on the 5th of March, I remember I so well because it was like a month and some days to my birthday. On the 5th of March, I just got bing, I was at 2,199 subscribers, and I got a notification on my YouTube analytics app that, hi, you just reached the 4,000 hours threshold and you are way above the 1,000 subscribers. That's not the words they use, but I'm saying it. You're way above the 1,000 subscribers, so you're eligible to become a YouTube partner. We need to vet your channel. So as soon as you reach it, you don't just get to the point where, oh yeah, you're a YouTube partner. No, they take a whole week to vet your channel. No, it's not a week, I'm lying. It's about 3 days. Baby, when they were vetting the page, my ass was on fire because I know I had posted non-copyrighted songs, and I didn't know how YouTube would react to me getting songs that don't have copyrights. They don't care, apparently. So for us, the song is not somebody's stolen song, exactly someone's stolen song. I applied, they vetted my channel, and then another thing they have to do is verify that you're human, and they have no other way to verify that you're human. There's video call, there's other ways. They don't have that. They don't use that. They literally send the code to the address you provide them, and then within 3 months you're supposed to enter the code in your YouTube app, else it'll nullify the code and they will have to send another one. So they sent that code after a couple of days, after the 5th March, a couple of days, I don't remember exactly. They sent the code to me, and then I received the code on the 4th of April, 10 days to my birthday. I actually got flowers on that day because I was feeling a little bit sad that I was turning 24. I felt like I was very old and I haven't done anything with my life. That was how I was feeling. And I got home and I saw the YouTube letter there, YouTube AdSense. The joy. So I just got to my room, took a picture for Instagram, and you guys, the support, the love I received, because you guys know that I've been doing it for 3 years and more. Like, you know how long 3 years is? Somebody can get pregnant, give birth, and their child will turn 3 in 3 years. So I just entered it, and then bam, I've forgotten the TikTok. I was gonna recite the TikTok, I've forgotten it. But yes, I entered it. It doesn't end there still. I thought it just ends there. No, after I entered the code, I needed to give them my bank information and my tax information. I was like, wait, no other video talks about the fact that there's tax and stuff. But I did my research and realized it was something that YouTube just implemented like a year or 2 ago, about how YouTube money should get taxed. So you have to provide your tax information, your tax something. Is a lot. So what I did, which I'm not about to sit here and lecture you on tax, I watched a very detailed video about a lady and how she took it as someone that lived in the UK. So you need to fill it according to your country's tax laws, right? So I filled it as someone that lived in the UK by following that woman's video. So I don't know much, so I'm not about to sit here and lie to you that you do this, you do that. No, I don't remember what I put there. It was based in the UK. I knew that our process is probably the same. Yeah, after I filled my form, it was instant. So you get a contract that you can download to your phone. You are now a YouTube partner, blah blah blah. So when I downloaded the contract to my phone, I wanted to keep a copy of it because then it will show you on your screen that your money is now starting to calculate, right? So you have to reach $100 threshold. So you can be making money over the month of April. If you don't reach $100, that money is going to be added to next month's money, sorry, not next year, next month money to pay you for next month. So you can make $99.9 this month. It's not up to 100, so you won't be paid this month. For pounds, it's 60 pounds. Okay, it was April that I received my address and everything. So April, I made some little coins, £1, £2, £3. That same non-copyrighted video was doing well, and then my vlog started taking off because I started doing videos that I think you guys loved. That helped me pick up. And then I think April passed, and then May I made some money. So May, I told you the pound is £60 threshold, not $100, because obviously the pound is higher than the dollar. So in May I made £66, right? I made £66. So it's like the money I made in April didn't reach £60, so they carried it over to May, and then in May I made some small money, and then in addition to everything, it became £66. So my first ever amount I made from videos in general, it wasn't just one particular video, it was a lot of videos that counted to that got me that £66. It doesn't end there. I thought I was gonna get £66 that month, and then YouTube deducted tax from it. So I ended up getting paid for £55 instead of 66 because they deducted pounds tax of £11. I was so bummed, but I was like, this It's all the motivation I needed, because I've been doing YouTube for 3 years. There's been the ups and downs. Just doing YouTube made me happy, so I was like, I'm gonna do YouTube. I'm gonna keep doing it even though the money wasn't coming in. Don't do it just for the money, because I think to get to that point, passion has to be there. So the total I made for that month, my first payment was 66, but after tax it was 55 pounds, and I received it. I just woke up one morning and saw it in my account. So I was like, where is this coming from? And I saw YouTube Ireland. So I think Ireland, they don't call it Ireland, apparently it's Ireland. YouTube Ireland paid me 55 pounds. I called my whole family. I called everybody on this earth to say that, hi, YouTube has paid me. Hello, YouTube. It wasn't big, but it was just the right motivation to keep me going, that okay, this thing is actually paying off. I need to keep doing it. Doing it for so long. Don't give up, okay? Don't give up, because God knows I've wanted to give up so many times. But I know 55 pounds is not so much that I should be telling you not to give up over 55 pounds. But I don't know why I wanted to do this video, because this was too much information, because people are going to be saying, hey, so if I watch this video, I should make this amount. No, it doesn't work like that. YouTube is very, very different in so many ways. How much you make over the months fluctuates. It's very different. I know you love vlogs, so I'll have a vlog coming in soon. I love you guys so much for the support to this point. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.